going to Bonny. I've not been to Bonny before.
Have you ever dreamt about visiting or maybe even living on an island? The endless tropical fruits, the gorgeous pictures to be taken at all the beaches? So have I. And Bonny Island is not quite that. It is an island in River State that is home to many ijaw people. But I also heard Hausa and Ibibio being spoken in some places, so keep that in mind. It does have beaches and nearly 24-hour electricity, as well as rich men with pot bellies, if that's your thing. So in December last year, I decided to spend Christmas with my best friend and her family. This meant taking a ferry from Port Harcourt to Bonny Island and later on taking a boat to Oloma, their village. Hope I'm pronouncing the right. Oloma. Yes, it's Oloma. Okay. Mind you, I've never been to a village before. I am, I'm what you would call an Ajeboka. So this was quite the experience. Let me tell you all about it.
Hello. Today we are going to Bonny. I've not been to Bonny before. And you can't film at the jetty. I think you can't film there. You're not allowed to. So I don't want to risk it. But I'm just gonna give you guys the gist when I land in Bonny, I guess.
Now, because Bonny is an island, as we have previously stated, there are only two ways of getting there: by air or by boat. And there are two ways of getting there by boat. It's either you take a public speedboat or you take a private ferry from the NLNG jetty. Ugh, my thing is terrible. I'm tired. And we're late.
We know these briefings can sometimes feel like a snooze fest, but trust me, this one's worth staying awake for. First things first, all passengers should turn off their cell phones or put them on silent mode. I know you're all itching to snap some pics for the gram, but please, ensure those gadgets are not a source of disturbance to other travelers. We wouldn't want any distractions when it comes to your safety.
The trip is it's nearly 2 hours, but not exactly 2 hours. And before the boat even moves, there is an almost 20-minute briefing on the fact that you should not be worried and just emergency, how to get out in case of an emergency. I was bored and sleepy and thirsty. The ferry was air conditioned and honestly comfortable. Like, aside the occasional wave, you might even forget you're on the water. When we finally arrived, we had to wait over an hour for our bags to be offloaded from the boat. Then Sybil's dad sent a driver to come get us, and we were off to the family house.
Hello, Daddy. Can you hear me? And we just finished. We are beside the car now. We're coming home.
Your current house food, no the house, bro.
Don't remind me, bro. Don't remind me.
Then I'm gonna bring out Gary real quick.
The primary mode of transportation in Bonny is bikes, but there are also buses, cars, and some keke. Like, there are very few keke. It's mainly bikes. The roads are quite slim. Like, there's no double lane. Two cars can pass, but like, that's just because they kind of have to. But yeah, the roads are quite slim.
Hi guys. We're going exploring. Yes, we are.
Girls, we have a brain cell. So like, we're out and everybody cannot stop checking her out because she's just so hot. What can I do, man? What can I do? And I'm just here being the third wheel, literally.
Now you're actually shoot first. Like, literally like.
What?
Okay.
Right.
Hello people, we're at the beach. We're making 2 videos. We're on the beach at night. And we can barely see, bro. And we're making 2 videos.
If you don't go fall inside the ocean.
Girl. Girl, please. Girl, please. What is that? Girl. Oh
I mean, I'm not opposed to that. I'm recording. I'm recording.
no,
Say that again.
No, I didn't say it.
Say it again.
I don't care, bro.
Alright guys, we're about to frolic in the wind. Oh, I don't know. So those are the ships. You can't see the ocean right now, but like, yeah. We're at the beach at night.
Oh, why your body they sweet you like this?
Peacock? Look at her, he's so pretty. I know. Why is Nyash facing us? Look at the love of my life. I love you. Came across a peacock in my adventures one day, and I just decided I had to bring her home. Okay. Hi.
Peacock obsession aside, I had seen the Finima Nature Park on Google Maps before I came to Bonny, and I knew I wanted to visit, so I had to drag the hermit that is named Sibyl out of the house at all events. It's free to enter, you just have to sign your name in one book, and that's basically it.
I feel like my spirit told me. I just did not listen. We're going to the seesaw.
One thing I didn't realize until we got there is how big this place is. It's huge. I'm talking from the entrance to the canopy walk. The beginning of the canopy walk, not the actual, like, it's like, I want to say 30-minute walk. So like in between the entrance and the other end where the canopy walk is, there's a playground and the two agbayas that we are wearing the blue.
Imagine, they give it 3 hours and but we can go to school. Dislocate your arm, say, doesn't make you complain.
Hi guys, we made it. It was a perilous journey, but we survived. Concentration is on, not down.
So she made me come on the tree house.
Yes, you are how?
Yeah, she made me come on the tree house.
I don't let you come on the
Right.
Ugh, I hate this fucking country, bro. Why is it so hot? Oh, my photographer is putting in her all. Why you do like this, bro? Why the fuck are you like this? The view is not terrible, I suppose. Not this place, like children are having like village, a peer grade meeting.
Alright, we're walking to wherever we don't know, but like,
Or get ambushed by monkeys. We still have a long way to go. I'm not making you do anything, girl.
enjoying the journey.
Yeah. It's not about the destination, it's about the journey.
We still have like 50 kilometers.
50 kilometers is so serious, but if not 50 kilometers, I'm not going to go back out.
We still have like 50 kilometers. Exploring is so hard. Ah. I'll never slam that door again.
The canopy walk is also free, but like out of the goodness of your heart, you can give the park rangers money, which is what we did after he took us on the walk. He gave us this whole spiel about how sometimes the snakes will be out sunbathing. We did not see any snake, or I did not see any snake, but the two of them saw. So, I problem one, River Zero, I guess. Also, they don't have any antivenom, so we asked what will happen if a snake bites you here, and he said, God forbid a snake will not bite you. So, be careful, I guess.
We saw bitter mango, which is so insane.
As you can see from behind Sibir, the canopy walk still stretches further, but we decided to stop here. There's nothing we are looking for. It's enough.
I'm so tired. I wanna nap. We made it out, guys. Look, we survived. From Finima Park. He's so cool.
Merry Christmas, bro. Part of which team, bro? What team? Part of what team? Anyway, Merry Christmas to Kenny, the Explorer viewers, whatever.
I got bored of Uncensored very, very quickly. Like, I couldn't even be bothered. And considering Peruzzi was the headline act, only to come out around like 12 midnight, I just didn't care. I just did not care. I knew this was not the type of event I would normally go for. However, I didn't want to be the only one at home while everybody went out. So it was a nice group activity.
Hi. You said say your hi now. You don't almost die.
Since we were carrying quite a lot of stuff from Bonny to the village, Sylvia's dad got a bus for us to take stuff from the house to the jetty. This jetty is the same place you can get the speedboats, the normal like regular speedboats from Bonny to Port Harcourt, which is what we did when we were going back instead of taking the private ferry. So we had to wait a bit for the bus to get full. You need 8 people, and we were 7 or 6, something like that. But anyway, we were waiting. It was 2K per person. The boat ride was like 25 minutes, very short. And then we go to the village. I think I only spent about 4 or 5 days there, but like in that time, they didn't take the light once. Lagos, can you see your mates? So during what is called the morning play, one town essentially goes from house to house. the masquerade will dance into your house, and both the doors and windows will be closed. The adults in the house will discuss or whatever it is that they do indoors, while the band and the followers are going to be outside dancing. Goes house to house until at a certain time it goes inside. You hear like a sharp bang that will echo throughout the village, and everybody's like, okay, money play is over. And then we hear the bang begin in the evening. That means it's about time for evening play to start, which involves dancing in the village square until it gets to a particular I don't know if I should call it a building, but sure a place where one can stand on the roof to dance some more.
Hey guys, we're leaving. Going back to Port Harcourt to eat Chicken Republic. Because I don't almost die without Chicken Republic, bro. Having withdrawals.
Burr.